a relatively smooth flow here. Can't really hear anything in the water. You can kind of get a sense of what's something like surface laminar flow. It's not perfect, of course. Then you reach a point where you can hear almost like a bubbling brook. Definitely see a change in speed of the water. And the speed before and the speed after are different. And you can see a lot of turbulence afterwards as well. It's kind of like a stenosis. And you can see after the restriction point, some of the water is going in that direction, some of the water is going in this direction. And it's much slower down the stream too. You can continue on. And the vessel, if you will, has already widened. And that also has an effect on pressures and velocities.